If you want to start an online store, this is exactly what you're going to learn in this video. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully working Shopify store with products added, payments connected, and everything ready to start accepting orders. And the best part is you don't need any coding skills or previous experience. Shopify handles the hosting, checkout, and store design so you can focus on selling. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step so you can launch your online store today. If you haven't created your Shopify account yet, you can start with a Shopify free trial using the link in the description below. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission if you decide to continue with Shopify. There's no extra cost to you, and you still get the same free trial and promotional pricing. Now let's jump in and start building your Shopify store. But before we begin, let me quickly show you the Shopify store we'll be creating in this tutorial. This store includes a homepage, product pages, a shopping cart, and a secure checkout so customers can place orders. Don't worry if this looks complicated, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Alright, let's go ahead and start creating your Shopify store. Once you click the link in the description, you'll land on the Shopify free trial page. Shopify will first ask you to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email you want to use for your Shopify account. Then click the arrow icon to continue. Next, create a password for your Shopify account. Once you get to this page, you'll see Shopify's current offer. Right now, Shopify is offering a 3-day free trial, and after that, you can continue for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. If you want to continue, you can enter your payment information here or use Shop Pay or PayPal. You'll see the button that says subscribe for $1 USD. If you prefer to skip this step for now, simply click the skip option in the bottom right corner. For this tutorial, I'm going to click skip. Next, Shopify will ask where you would like to sell. If you want to skip this and go straight to the Shopify dashboard, you can click skip. You can choose options like an online store, in person at a retail store, selling at events, social media, online marketplaces, or an existing website or blog. For most people creating a new Shopify store, you'll want to select an online store. Once selected, click next. Shopify will now ask if this shop is for a new business or an existing business. If you're just getting started, select New Business or Idea. If you already have a business you're bringing online, you can select Existing Business. For this tutorial, I'll select New Business or Idea, then click Next. Next, Shopify will ask what you plan to sell. You can choose options like products you buy or make yourself, digital products, dropshipping products, services, print-on-demand products, or you can choose I'll decide later. You can select multiple options here if needed. If you're not sure yet, selecting I'll decide later is perfectly fine. For this tutorial, I'll choose products you buy or make yourself and click next. Next, Shopify will ask you to name your store. Go ahead and enter the name you want for your Shopify store here. Don't worry too much about this name right now because you can change your store name later inside the Shopify settings. For this tutorial, I'll enter Demo Online Store. Once you've entered your store name, click Finish. Shopify will now finish setting up your account. Once your store is created, Shopify will take you directly to the Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything from your online store, including your products, orders, payments, customers, and store design. Before we start building the store, let me give you a quick overview of the Shopify dashboard so you know where everything is. This is where you'll manage everything for your online store. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu where all of your store tools are located. First, you have orders. This is where you'll see all the orders customers place on your store. Next is products. This is where you'll add and manage the products you want to sell. Then you have customers. Here you can view customer information and manage your customer list. Below that is content. This section lets you manage things like pages, blog posts, and other content on your store. Next is marketing. This is where you can create marketing campaigns and promotions for your store. Then you have discounts. Here you can create coupon codes and automatic discounts for your customers. Next is analytics. This section shows reports and insights about your store's performance, sales, and traffic. And finally, you have settings. This is where you configure important store settings like payments, shipping, taxes, and your store details. Don't worry about memorizing everything right now. We'll go through the important sections step by step as we build the store. Next, let's start by adding our first product. To add a product in Shopify, go over to the left side menu and click Products. Click the Add Product button. This will take you to the product creation page where you can enter all the details for the item you want to sell. First, start by entering your product title. This should simply be the name of the product you're selling. Next, you can add a product description. This is where you explain what the product is, what it does, and why someone should buy it. You can format the description using the toolbar here to add things like bold text, bullet points, or links. Below the description section, you'll see media, where you can upload images or videos of your products. High quality product images are very important because they help customers understand what they're buying and increase the chances of making a sale. To upload an image, click Upload New. Then select the product images from your computer. Click the plus icon to add another image. Next, scroll down to the pricing section. Here, you can enter the price you want to charge for the products. If you want to show a sale price, you can enter your original price in the Compare at Price field. This will display the product as discounted on your store. Below that, you'll see the Inventory section. This is where you can track how many items you have available to sell. If you want Shopify to track your inventory automatically, make sure the Track Quantity option is enabled. Next is the Shipping section. If you're selling a physical product that needs to be shipped to customers, leave the "This is a physical product" option checked. If you're selling something like a digital product or service, you can uncheck this option. Below the Shipping section, you'll see Variants. Variants allow you to offer different options for your product, such as size, color, or style. For example, a shirt might have variants for small, medium, and large, or different colors like black, blue, and red. If your product has multiple options, you can click Add Options like size or color and enter the different variants you want to offer. For this example product, we're just using a single version, so we'll leave variants turned off. As you scroll further down, you'll see the Search Engine Listing section. This is where you can control how your product appears in search engines like Google. If you click Edit, you can change the page title, meta description, and the URL handle for your product page. These settings can help improve your product's visibility in search results. For this tutorial, we'll leave the default settings since Shopify automatically generates this information from your product title and description. Next, scroll up to the Product Organization section. This section allows you to organize your products inside your store. The product type field can be used to categorize products such as backpacks, shirts, or accessories. The vendor field typically shows the brand or supplier of the product. You can also add the product to a collection, which allows Shopify to group products together on pages like your home page or category pages. And finally, tags can be used to help organize or filter products inside your store. For this tutorial, we'll leave these settings as they are. Next, scroll up to where you see Status. From the drop-down, make sure the status is set to active so the product will be visible in your store. If you want to preview the product page, click the Preview button. This will open up a preview showing how your product page will appear on your online store. You'll see a duplicate option. This allows you to quickly create a copy of the product, which can save you time with adding similar products in the future. After duplicating a product, you can simply update things like the product title, description, images, and price instead of starting from scratch. Once everything looks good, click the Save button in the bottom right corner. Your first product has now been added to your Shopify store. Next, we'll customize the design of your online store so it looks professional and ready for customers. Now that we've added our first product, let's take a quick look at how it appears on your online store. To do that, go to your Shopify dashboard, then click Online Store in the left side menu. Next, click View Your Store. This will open your store in a new tab. This is the default storefront that Shopify creates for you. Right now, it's using one of Shopify's basic themes, so it looks pretty simple. But we're going to customize it in just a moment. If you scroll down the home page, you'll see a product section where your products will appear once they're added to your store. Let's go ahead and open the product we just created. You can do that by clicking the product name. This will open the product page where the customers can view the product images, read the description, see the price, and add the item to their cart. Customers can click the Add to Cart, proceed to checkout, and place an order directly through your Shopify store. So as you can see, your online store is already functional. We just need to customize the design to make it look more professional. Go back to your Shopify dashboard. In the left side menu, click Online Store. This will take you to the Themes page. Your current theme will appear at the top of the page under Current Theme. Shopify includes a default theme for every new store. Right now, the most common default theme is called Horizon, which is a clean and fast theme that works well for most online stores. You'll see Shopify's AI Theme Generator. This tool allows you to describe your business, and Shopify will automatically generate store designs for you. It can be a quick way to get design ideas, but for this tutorial, we're going to customize the store manually so you can see exactly how everything works. Below this, you'll also see a section with popular free themes that Shopify provides. These are professionally designed themes that you can install if you want a different style for your store. If you'd like to explore even more options, you can click Visit Theme Store, where Shopify offers additional free and premium themes. For this tutorial, we'll continue using the current theme so you can see how to customize it. To start customizing your store, click the Edit Theme button. This will open Shopify's theme editor. This is where you'll control your homepage layout, images, and store sections. In the middle of the screen, you'll see a live preview of your website. On the left side, you'll see the sections that make up your store's homepage. These sections allow you to control things like your images, text, featured products, and layout. When you click on a section in the preview on the right side, you'll see its settings appear in the panel on the left. From here, you can make changes to things like the styling, colors, text, images, and layout for that section. If you hover over a section, it will highlight so you can easily see what part of the page you're editing. You'll also see an eye icon, which allows you to temporarily hide the section from your page if you don't want it displayed. If you want to remove the section completely, click the trash can icon to delete it from the page. To make edits to your site, simply click on a section and start customizing it. For example, when you click the headline, the editing options will appear in the panel on the right. Here, you can change the text, adjust the layout, and customize things like the font style and color. For example, I'll change the headline text here to "Welcome to our online store." As you can see, the change updates instantly in the preview. Next, I'll click on the background image in the hero section. Over on the right side, you'll see all the styling options and settings for this section. If you want to change the background image, click Explore Free Images to browse images provided by Shopify. If you'd like to upload your own image, click Select. From here, you can choose an image that's already been uploaded to Shopify, or click Add Files to upload a new image. I'll select one I've already uploaded to Shopify, click Done, and you'll see the new image is now applied to the section. If you scroll down, you'll see the Media Overlay option. If you don't want an overlay on the image, you can toggle this off. If it's enabled, you can change the overlay color here. To edit a button, simply click the button on the page. Over on the right side, you can change the button text and choose where the button links to. If you hover over any element on the page, you'll also see options to duplicate it or remove it if you don't want it on your page. To add a new section to your page, scroll to where you want to place it and hover over the plus icon, then click Add Section. Shopify will then show a list of available sections you can add to your page. Simply click one and it will be added where you can begin customizing it. Next, if you click the logo area at the top, you can adjust the visibility of your logo on the homepage. If you click Edit Logo in Theme Settings, you'll be able to upload your logo from the panel on the left. You can also upload a favicon, which is the small icon that appears in the Browser tab. Below that, you'll see additional theme settings where you can customize things like colors, typography, buttons, other design elements for your store. At the top of the editor, you'll see undo and redo icons if you need to reverse any changes. You can also preview how your store looks on desktop and mobile devices. Once you're finished making your changes, click Save. Your store design will now be updated. Now let's quickly look at your store navigation menu. Go back to your Shopify dashboard by clicking the Exit icon in the top left. In the left menu, click Content, then click Menus. Here, you'll see the menus that appear on your website, such as the main menu at the top of your store. Click Main Menu to edit it. This is where you can add links to important pages on your store, such as your homepage, product collections, or contact page. To add a new menu item, click Add Menu Item, enter the name you want customers to see, and choose the page or product you want to link to. Click the checkmark icon to add the menu item. If you want to remove a menu item, click the trash can icon. You can also drag and reorder items in the menu by clicking and dragging them to a different position. Once you're done making changes, click Save. Your navigation menu will now update on your storefront. Next, let's set up payments so customers can actually purchase products from your Shopify store. In the bottom left corner, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click Payments. This is where you'll configure how your store accepts payments from customers. Shopify includes its own built-in payment processor called Shopify Payments. Shopify handles the checkout security and payment processing for you, so you don't need to connect a separate payment gateway to start accepting payments. Shopify Payments allows you to accept major credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover directly on your store. To activate it, click Activate Shopify Payments. You'll then need to enter some basic business details such as your business information, banking details, and personal verification information. Once Shopify reviews and approves your account, payments from customers will be deposited directly into your bank account. Below Shopify Payments, you'll also see options for additional payment providers. Offering multiple payment options can help increase conversions because customers can pay using the method they prefer. Once your payment methods are set up, your store will be ready to accept payments from customers. Next, let's set up shipping so you can deliver products to your customers after they place an order. From your Shopify dashboard, in the bottom left corner, click Settings. Then click Shipping and Delivery. This is where you'll configure how shipping works for your online store. At the top of the page, you'll see your shipping rates. Shopify allows you to create different shipping rules depending on where your customers are located. For example, you can set flat rate shipping, free shipping, or calculated shipping based on carrier rates. To create a shipping rate, click Add Rate. You can enter a name for the shipping option, such as standard shipping, then enter the price you want to charge customers for shipping. Many stores choose to offer free shipping, which can help increase conversions and encourage more customers to complete their purchases. If you prefer, you can also charge a flat rate depending on your shipping cost. Once you've entered your shipping rate, click Done, then click Save. Your shipping settings will now be active for your store. Now that your products, design, payments, and shipping are all set up, your Shopify store is almost ready to start selling. Next, let's quickly review everything and take one more look at your store before launching. From the Shopify dashboard, click the eye icon next to Online Store in the left side menu to open your store in a new tab. Here you can see your online store homepage, the product we added, and the layout we customize. Customers can browse your products, click on an item to view the product page, add it to their cart, and proceed through the checkout process to place an order. And because we set up payments and shipping earlier, your store is fully ready to start selling online. From here, you can continue adding more products, customizing your store design, and expanding your online business. If you haven't created your Shopify account yet, you can start with the Shopify free trial using the link in the description below. Right now, Shopify offers a free trial, and after that, you can continue for just $1 per month for the first 3 months, which makes it one of the most affordable ways to start an online store. If this video helped you learn how to start an online store with Shopify, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on building websites and starting online businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.